Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to find deleted posts on Facebook. Open Facebook app, click menu button, click profile. I will delete one of my posts from here and restore it again. Refresh the page. You can see my post has been deleted from here. I will recover the deleted post. Click settings and privacy. Then click settings. Click activity log. Click trash. You can see my deleted post here. Select post. Then click restore. Click restore. My post has been recovered. Now the post can be seen on my profile. Thanks for watching.